And we're back at the E-Ride. Hope everything is down as we spoke about. And here comes the new part. Now that's a bit more tricky. We start as always. 0, 0, 3, and 4. And now we play 0, 0 again. And now we're going to play the 5, but it says the first finger. So we're going to move our hand up. And then because now we see why, we need the 6, the second finger, and 7, the third finger. So it's going to be a bit tricky to get used to. So we're going to be playing 0, 0, 3, 4. Now I have 2 zeros where my left hand is not doing anything. And after those 2 zeros, I have to be at the 5. So I can use the zeros, the open strings, to put my hand in position. One more time from the top, I'll show you. 1, 0. Move hand. And 5, 6, 7. One more time. 3, and. Bring hand in position and go. Extend on this, the 7 is 5 times. So one more time. 3, 4, and. Move hand. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 3, 4, and. Again, hand in position now, and up. 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we only have 1, 0. Play 1, 0. And then we go the same movement we just did, but 2 frets lower. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it goes 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 0, shift hand, and 3, 4, 5, which is also 5 times. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. For the memory, once more. 3, 4, and. And shift hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shift back. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And at the ending, we have 1, 0 again, and then double 3. That's the whole line. Let's play it. 3, 4. Line. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and go. And. Once you have this down, Great job, and we'll see you in the next chapter. All right, and here's the final part of the E-Ride, which is pretty much nothing new, really. It's the same as the last one, except once we get up to the 7, we just stay there and play a total of 8 times. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and... That's it. Let's do it one more time. 3, 4. So now we're going to put it all together. Now, here's the thing that we haven't spoken about. It's called form. Now, if you look at the chart, there's going to be the first part, the very first one we learned, 4 times. Which you can see by the X's, that means repeat previous measure. So it's going to be written 1, and all the X's mean play what was just before, the bar before. Now, that's 4 times, and as you can see, the second line is twice. Then there's the first one again, and then comes the third one, and then the one we just did. Yeah. Now putting it all together slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one. And then string switching. One more time. And back to 1. Number 3, the long one. And the last one. If you want, 6, 7, 8. Repeat all from top. Etc. You could play it round and round as long as you like. As long as they're fun or you feel the need to practice it, as you like. Now here, once you have this down and you kind of feel comfortable, why don't we try to amp up the tempo? 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 4. And switch. practice as long as you like. Now, if you can't play it at that tempo yet, that's fine. Just go back to the slower one, and you'll get there eventually. Just slow and steady. Don't stress it, so your fingers know the right movement and they don't get sloppy. Now, for those who've gotten this, let's try it even one more faster, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now that you're here, you probably played the E right, and you got a first sense what it's like to get the feeling for the guitar, what the work you have to put in to get a note to sound, and how actually easy it is to play your first song. If you're interested, down below is a link for the complete path where we continue by learning our basic chord shapes. You know, that leads to songs like Heaven's Door, Satisfactions by the Rolling Stones with like riff combined with the rhythm guitar and the chords, so we kind of also see how parts interconnect. And then we're going to do power chords like Pixies, Where's My Mind, and in the end we're going to be playing Wish You Were Here by Pink Floyd. So if you're interested, the complete path link is below, and I hope to see you there.